Okay guys, so for this tutorial, we're just gonna do the mocks. We're just gonna do sound effects. We're gonna fix the overlapping sound effects thing. Gonna fix some other sound effect bugs. We're gonna make and yeah, I'm gonna make a sound for pizza time. Well, background music for pizza time. So this will probably be a short video. So anyways, the first thing we want to do, sounds are overlapping. So that's not the best thing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do if mach equals 2, then sound 2 play, but sound 1 will stop. And if mach 3 is playing, sound 2 will stop, and sound 1 will also stop. Now, the reason why this bug has been in the tutorials for a long time is because whenever I play test the game, I barely turn my sound on. So, yeah, I'm gonna turn it on for this one. Okay, I think that's working. So, I'm not gonna make the sound for pizza time. So I don't actually have the pizza time asset ID. But what you want to do is in starter GUI, go to the timer inside the frame, set the background, set the number. No, actually just inside the timer, right? Actually, not inside the local script, which I don't know where that is. Yeah, where is the local script? Okay, bro, all my other videos are 1 hour long. This is actually very short. So inside timer local, you want to add a sound. This sound, we're going to name this pizza time. So first of all, you got to put your sound ID in, because the game actually has to know what sound you're playing. So you put your sound ID in. And I actually don't have a sound ID on me right now. So I'm just going to get a sound ID from one of my other games called Crossovers I'm making. Because I don't actually have the pizza time sound. In this video, I'm not gonna teach how to upload your own songs, but it's really easy. You just gotta get the MP3 or something of a pizza time and upload it to Roblox Studio. Now once you did that, you want to put a loop on, obviously, and I want to make the volume 2 actually 4 because I don't know if it'll be too loud or not. Now once you have pizza time, you want to go into the timer local. Inside of here, we are going to do script that parent script wait for child pizza time play, and we're also going to do it if it's when pizza time ends, we're going to stop pizza time. The reason why the videos of pizza time are getting shorter is because number one, I'm working on other projects and I'm getting busier. Number two, not many people are actually the pizza tower game is dying. So yeah. Anyways, that's it.